Hey guys, another discussion about DEX. We will discuss this data risk, especially for those who ask questions. And then again, this video is a global discussion. If you want to update the current subtitle, you can just click the closed captions and then go to settings and select your preferred language, guys. No? So, ngayon ay pag-uusapan nga natin itong DEX. We can just go in here lang sa pinaka-home tab. And then makikita na natin dito sa gilid ng new itong DEX, no. Ang dami ring nagtatanong dito, siguro confused about doon sa other features nga, no. Like for example, if we select other coins dito, may mga badge makikita natin or tokens, no. So select natin itong Pipen as well. So we can go dito sa data. Ayan, makikita natin yung holdings, tapos yung all holdings na may 10 USDT, tapos holders analytics as well, 7 days holders, total liquidity, and dito sa pinaka-info niya, makikita natin dito yung pinaka-details sa chart. We can also check this verified, guys, no? So this token is verified by the project team or has a strong community consensus, no? So yan yung isa sa mga question siguro dito, dahil other bias din itong mga gantong features. In my own opinion lang, guys, no. Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito. We just discussed the risk, the opportunity. So, balance lang naman tayo dito. So, sa mga nagtatanong, sana ma-acknowledge ko yung mga questions nyo dito, guys, no. So, unang-unang question dito is yung sa data. So, dito sa data, guys, no, makikita natin dito yung pinaka-analytics nga, like for example, kung papaano nagkakaroon ng liquidity, like volume, kung ano yung status niya, umangat ba yung volume in the past couple of days or in the past couple of hours, makikita natin dito, as well as yung top holders as well. So, makikita natin dito sa chart yung changes ng top 10, top 50, and 100 holders over the last 7 days, no. So it can help analyze din ito sa distribution ng token. So isa din sa mga validation and maganda rin for analysis, no. So yun yung isa sa mga basis nitong data. So change in holders as well. So the graph reflects the numbers of holders over time. Pwede natin gamitin to determine its tokens gaining popularity or attraction, engagement as well. So makikita natin dito sa change ng holders, guys. So, isa ito sa mga validation din dahil magandang basis din yung data. If ever na you can observe data na healthy yung data niya, nagkakaroon ng changes, and if ever man na medyo weird yung data, that's other factors na you can disregard nung tokens na yun, no? Yun, sa risk naman, meron dito, kagandahan lang siguro dito, guys, isa sa na-appreciate ko is that yung kanyang detailed summary, no, I would say. Makikita natin dito yung analysis ng risk. So, naka-verify dyan, LP tokens burned, unlikely to be a honeypot token. Mahirap kasi itong mga honeypot token for the malicious code, no. Contract analysis, maganda rin na i-cross-validate yan at ma-meet yung token standard. Wala ring pinaka-privilege address. This is prone for like pag-alter nga ng holders assets, no, such as burning or transferring the held tokens. At hindi pwedeng i-modified yung transaction tax, no. Kasi yung mga smart contracts, pwede mo yung taasan over 50%, no. So the token could be untradeable as of result if ever na mataas na masyado yung transaction tax. So wala siyang proxy function, doesn't freeze first-time holders as well. No additional issuance, meaning nakakap na ito or hindi na pwedeng mag-add ng issuance, no? Kasi kung meron siya ditong additional issuance function, pwede pa rin niyang dagdagan yung circulating supply, no? Magiging unlimited at malaking epekto yun sa price. So, metadata can't be modified as well. Importante rin ito. So, no accounts with freeze permission. So, maraming mga checklist dito. Pasok sa mga criteria at kaya din pala na-verify ito, no. So yun yung isa sa mga reason bakit verified itong tokens na ito, no. So, walang sniper out of 70, 0, insider, merong 0.09, no? And makikita mo dito once you check this, verified, no? So, let's go back. You can just compare, guys, dito. So, itong Sacha as well, we can compare data niya. Ayan, makikita mo dito, yung liquidity as well, yung risk. Ayan, pero hindi pa verified, guys, no? Comparing kanina na sobrang daming check and verified na yung pinaka-tokens na na-check natin kanina. So, for this one, please be careful pa rin dito. And we have this like analysis din dito before. Masyado nang mataas, nakapag-take profit na. And for this one, we'll see kung papaano dito play out, no? Dahil ito, merong sniper, oh. 8 yung sniper out of 70. So, meaning, yung mga early ito na nakabili, no? Like, traders who buy tokens immediately upon launch. And, medyo risky din ito dahil pwede nilang i-take profit at that could affect the price, guys, no? Kung sobrang baba nila na nakuha or nabili, once mag-take profit sila dun sa itaas, syempre mag-a-average yung pinaka-gain nila. And it will result into like a drastic sell-off, no? So, please be aware of that lang na pwedeng ganun yung magiging scenario dito, guys, no? So, merong 8 dito na sniper. So, meron ding top 10 holders na largest holders ito. Ayan. Pero ito, guys, no? Please be careful or please be aware of that. Ayan. So, careful dito. And again, guys, no, dito sa DEX, like sa mga meme coins, walang guarantee dito. Hindi guaranteed yung results. And if ever man na meron kayong nakikita sa Facebook, nag-flex ng mga gains nila, yes, pwedeng mag-apply dun sa kanila. Pero sa inyo is that baka nasa take profit na kayo, naka-set up. Take profit na kayo ng mga nakabili early. So, please be aware of that. Please be mindful. It's better to have informed decision sa end niyo para maintindihan nyo dito yung pinaka-risk and reward, no? So, hope you get some insights, ideas dito, guys. Sa video natin, you can just explore naman yung mga available dito. You can cross-validate the price action as well, how the liquidity behave, ano yung mga nandun sa information, data, also the risk criteria, guys, no? So, yun lang. Sana nasagot ko yung mga questions nyo dito. Kung meron pa kayong mga questions, I feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.